Welcome to Bunaken Marine Park, a paradise beneath the waves off the coast of North Sulawesi in Indonesia. Every dive here feels like entering another world. A world painted with light, coral, and life. This place is home to some of the richest biodiversities on Earth. It is impossible to dive here without meeting a turtle or two, or dozens. Each one seems to have its own personality. Some curious, some shy, some just too sleepy to care that you're filming them. Getting closer to the reef wall, you have to be very observant. A small cave opening might reveal something a little more secretive. Witness this world, to be part of it, even for a short time. It is hard not to feel grateful. Bunaken reminds me why I fell in love with diving. For moments like these. And as the dive comes to an end, I find myself alongside one last turtle. Thanks for joining me on this underwater journey.